Hi guys, just having a look at this place. I've flown kites and gliders here before. I'm just thinking of having a go with the little glider, bungee launch. Haven't tried bungee launch for a year or so, we'll see what I can find. Looks like there's nobody playing football, so we'll have a go on the football pitch. Right, we're going to start with the short line that I prepared. It was either last year or the year before when I tried this. There's just a bit of wind which might actually be noisy on the camera, sorry about that. So, little glider, Fly Sky FST6 transmitter, Fly Sky receiver. We'll give it a go. Right, we'll start off fairly gentle. Just see if we can get in the air with it. Okay. Panicked a bit there, getting near the road. Oh, didn't get much height that time. Whoa, what's going on there? Whoa. Back this way. That's annoying. The neck strap on my transmitter's just come loose. Never mind. There's the wind over there. Whoa, what was that all about? Battery came out. Cover came off. And little elastic bands disappeared. Here we go again. What was that? Well, what do we do? One more go? It is very hot. I'm melting out here again. My nice clean Grandad t-shirt is soaking wet. I won't tell you about the other bits of clothing. Let's just say they're not very dry either. That should be a little bit of up dialed in there. Ready? Oh, much too much up. Ah. Well, it's broken in a different place to usual. So, do we have a look at the sticky tape and go on for a bit longer? Don't know what I've got in the bag. Let's go and have a look. My fault. I had no control then. I'd flicked that switch by accident. In that case, definitely sticky tape if we've got any in the bag. I think we have. Right, we'll go again. Off we go again. That's a better height. Things are coming down very fast. Wind's coming a bit from the right now, it's moved round. You can see my flag. That's probably part of the problem. I think that'll do. I don't think I'm going to do any better. I'm getting far too hot. Not finding any magic thermals to keep it up in the air, despite the fact it's baking hot. So we'll call it a day. Remember to disconnect the battery. Flies are liking me because I'm sweating. That'll do for today. That wind's moved round again.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.